But let's say I want to change my text here. Let's say, for example, I want to insert a new paragraph and I want to make my first sentence. I want to make that font size 16. I want to make that Calibri Light. So I click on the down arrow here for Calibri Light and I select headings. And I want to make that this theme color blue, accent 1. And I click on blue, accent 1. And there we go. By applying the font size, the font style, and the font color, I've now changed the look of my first sentence. And that only took one click to select the text, second click for the size, a third click for the font type, and then a fourth click for the color. Not too bad, but there is a much quicker way, and that's by using what we call styles in Microsoft Word. Now, I'll just tell you now that styles are the most important thing you need to learn in Word, okay? I'm not going to go into the depths of them. I'd cover that in a later course, and if you want to learn more about them, then I would recommend that course. And if we look above the document into the style ribbon, we can see that we have the normal style selected. And my cursor at the moment is in the second sentence, typing a new sentence. If I place my cursor in the first sentence, it's still the normal style. But the thing is, as you can see here, normal here in the style ribbon, the font style, just giving me a clue on what the style should look like, doesn't look like my first sentence. My first sentence is a larger font, it's a different font type, and it's also a different color. So how can they both be the same? If this is normal, this shouldn't be normal as well, because that just doesn't make any sense, does it? And the reason for this is because of the way styles work in Word. Now, what we did up here with the bold, the italic, and the underline, that kind of has a higher, what we call a higher precedence or a higher priority in Microsoft Word. So let's say, for example, now I select Russ Crowley and I click on the bold button. Again, the rest of the sentence doesn't change. But if I look up on the style ribbon, it's still the normal style. So now I've got Russ Crowley with bold text. I've got my blue text, which is bold. I've got my blue text, which isn't bold. And I've got my black text, which is neither blue nor bold. But they're all using the normal style. And this is one of the biggest problems with Microsoft Word. But it's really easy to rectify. And we'll look at that in the next lesson.